Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we can see some hope on the chart of gold. We can see that gold is standing at 1826 right now. But the most important thing about the chart of gold right now is that gold is no longer forming lower lows, which is a good sign. Those who are still holding buy position, there is a hope that in the coming days we will get to see some recovery on the chart of gold. I also have taken a buy position at 1820 with my stop loss at 1798. I'm taking a risk because I think that if the trend reversal comes in, it will not only break 1900 level, I think it will also head towards 1950 2000 level in the coming days. So I am going for it. Let's wait and watch. In case market drops also, I'll try to hold till 1798. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So first of all, let's look at the chart of the US dollar index. Dollar index was flying for the last couple of days, as a result of which we could see strong selling pressure on gold, Euro USD, GBP USD and others. DXY made a high of 107.33, and right now we can see that DXY is going for some retracement, and this retracement is quite natural because this market or this chart is moving in this zigzag pattern. Okay, and we can expect that DXY will be taking support around the moving average again, and we can already see that DXY is standing around a 50 moving average. So let's wait and watch how DXY reacts. In case DXY goes for some deeper correction, then the next support on the chart of US dollar index will be around 105.85 to 105.90. This will be the next support zone on the chart of DXY because of the 100 moving average, as well as you can see we also have previous support around this area. But the problem is that we have indication on the chart of gold of trend reversal, but dollar index is still towards the upside. That is a problem, and as we all know that for a trend reversal, not only on gold or Euro USD, GBP USD, for any trend reversal we need the backing of a fundamental factor. So this week's NFP will be very important. So this very crucial because all the eyes around the world will be on this week's NFP, because this week's NFP will decide in which direction the market will move. Because if gold breaks 1800 level, then maybe it will be heading towards 1790, 1750, nobody knows. And if gold recovers, then obviously we will get to see good recovery on the chart of gold. So let's wait and watch for the NFP. Today also we have news. If you go to economic calendar, you'll see that we have jobless claims around 6 p.m. in my country. So you just go to economic calendar, change the time zone so that you can be prepared for the volatility. But I don't think so market will be showing crazy volatility, because mostly the market is waiting for tomorrow's NFP. And I don't think so before NFP we will get a clear indication about the next trend of the market. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, then obviously this is not the right time for you to place any trade. You should wait for the NFP. Once the market will decide the next direction, you can go ahead. But if you're a swing trader, positional trader, it's time to take a pause. It's time to watch the market, because we can clearly see that dollar index is in beautiful uptrend. There is no sign of trend reversal yet. Okay, but on the chart of gold USD, we can see that gold is no longer forming lower lows, rather it is trying to break the previous high, and gold is trying to change the market structure. Okay, so if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then obviously there is nothing to do right now. You should wait. And if you're a day trader, then you should try to trade from level to level only. So let's understand these levels. Okay, so first of all, my dear friends, I would like you to take it to the weekly chart. You must be thinking, Abhilash, you said no position for swing traders and you're taking to daily chart. I have something to show. Okay, so this is a weekly chart, and you can see I have drawn Fibo, my favorite Fibo, from top to bottom, and you can see the market is standing at Fibo 23.6% retracement level. And as we all know that Fibo 23.6% retracement level is not a very strong level, isn't it? Okay, but this is a weekly chart, keep in mind. Okay, so this has some potential has some significance. And moreover, we can also see the Fibo is all not Fibo, the market is also standing at the 200 moving average. So if I remove the Fibo, you can see the market is already trying to take support around the 200 moving average, and which is a good sign. Okay, clear. So market is getting support on the higher time frame. And if I take you to the option chain of gold, we can see that though there was significant selling pressure on the chart of gold, but still we have good number of contracts at 1800. And most importantly, we have some addition of contracts, so which shows that we have new buyers coming in at 1800 level. So there is a possibility that market may bounce from here. Market may drop also before some temporary selling pressure we may see today and tomorrow, but I think that market will try to hold 1800 level at least before NFP. Okay, so NFP will be very, very important. Nobody knows what will happen. Now listen to me carefully. Okay, I'm going to discuss about the levels. Okay, so first of all, the volatility of the market will be very, very important. As we all know that for the last couple of days, market was extremely volatile, selling pressure was extremely high. If that scenario happens again, example, if you see that dollar index DXY starts going up again, there will be selling pressure on the chart of gold. In that case, okay, you can look for a quick selling opportunity below 1815 on the chart of gold. If gold breaks the previous low of 1816, you can go for a sell below 1815 level. You can exit around 1810, 1811 if you see that the selling pressure is not very high. Okay, if you see the size of the candles like this, then you can exit around 1810, 1811. But if you see size of the candles like this, means high selling pressure, high volume, then your target will be at 1805, 1803. Remember, at 1805 we have a support. Okay, oh no, there it is. Okay, at 1805, 1803 we have a support. So this is the next support on the chart of gold. And if this selling pressure remains, okay, because we can see the market is already trying to show some trend reversal signs, but still if we see some downside but with not much volatility, okay, then 180503 may work as support. Okay, I told you guys yesterday that chances of working as support at 180503 is very less, because market was not going down, rather market was building up strength. But today I can see that actually at night I observed that market is slowly changing the structure. Okay, so we are traders, we need to be flexible with the markets. Okay, and we can see the market is showing some signs of recovery. So 180503 may work as the next support if market drops. So volatility of the market will be very, very decisive. Okay, now you must be confused. Okay, let me repeat one by one. Okay, so first of all, if market breaks, okay, if market breaks 1815 level, we can go for a sell. Okay, we can go for a sell at 1815 level. If the selling pressure is not very high, then 1805 will work as support. Yesterday we had the fear that 180503 will not work as support because the selling pressure was too high, but we can see the selling pressure is reducing right now. Market is no longer forming lower lows, means new buyers are joining. In fact, the contracts data is also showing that buyers have joined. So 180503 may work as support if the selling pressure is not very high. But keep in mind, if you take a buy at 180503, try to put your stop loss below 1800 level, because the market will be volatile. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities on the chart of gold. And if you're day trader, hardcore day trader, then you can also look for a buy position at support, okay, if market bounces. So here also same thing, the volatility will decide. Okay, if you see market is slow, market is not very volatile, then only around 1816, 1817 level you will get a quick buy opportunity. Okay, and if market goes up, already market has tested the level twice. You can see around 1833 to 1834 market is getting some minor resistance. This is not a proper resistance also, but because of low volatility and low volume, this level is acting as resistance. During the day, okay, the 100 moving average may work as the next resistance for the market. Right now the 100 moving average is around 1836, but you can expect that around 1835, okay, around 1835 market will hit the 100 moving average. What you can do is you can just put the 100 moving average on your chart and just observe the market behavior. So once you'll see that market is around 1836-37 level, observe the market. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. And as a day trader, if you're looking for more levels to take a short position or a buy position in the market, what you can do is you can also draw a Fibo from this particular high of the market here. Okay, you can see that while drawing this Fibo here, I can see the market is respecting Fibo 23.6% retracement level. So we also have a next selling opportunity around 1840. Why 1840? Because you can see we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level, and at 1850 we have Fibo 50% retracement level. Okay, so in these levels, as a day trader, you can look for quick selling opportunities for 30, 35, 40 pips, not more than that, because market will be going in this direction. Okay, there will be a trend reversal, but still you can look for quick selling opportunities if you're a day trader. So right now market is in transition mode, I think. Okay, so in transition mode, okay, it is very difficult to understand in which direction we should be taking the trade. For the last couple of days we were looking for sell positions only, but if we blindly go for sell positions in this market, then there is a high chance that we may get trapped, because we can clearly see the market structure is changing slowly. So accordingly we need to behave, we need to act, and most importantly, swing traders, this is not an ideal position to place any order. This is a day traders market, and day traders also, you need to be careful, try to trade from level to level only, because whenever you see that there is an opportunity in the market, then only try to enter, and try to avoid entering on the middle of the chart. Okay. So right now, at the time of news, be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital, and stay vigilant. And right now in this condition, do not try to place any buy limit, sell limit positions, because the volatility of the market will be a very important factor. So you need to decide according to the volatility of the market, because right now we can see that we do not have any strong levels. Okay, any strong levels. So as a result, okay, any level may betray, any level may work. Okay, things are a little bit dicey right now. So be flexible and keep in mind that capital protection should be your first priority always. Okay, bye bye, take care, and see ya tomorrow. Nothing. Bye bye. Take care.